Good morning everyone, and welcome to the maiden flight of the Ideafly 210. It's gonna be a short flight. I have added a recording camera next to the FPV camera here. I'm going to take their lens cap off. For this test I'm going to use standard two-bladed props. The FPV monitor cannot be added to the transmitter as it's not supplied with the correct mounting hardware, but I'm going to turn it on just to have some image here. And for flying I'm going to use my KIT FPV goggles. I'm gonna power on the transmitter. Okay, also power on the camera. And camera is now recording. I'm going to plug in the battery for the quad. Right, let's see if we get image here. Yes, we have image. And I'm gonna power on the goggles, and I don't know if you can see, we have clear image here also. I'm gonna put the quad further from me a bit, just a bit, and I'm gonna take off the camera. I'm going to arm the motors and I'm going to fly it. The transmitter switches here are not programmed to change the flight mode. Good morning again, and welcome to the second tryout of the Ideafly. I have reprogrammed the flight controller to accept the 3 flight modes, so today we should have a normal flight, and let's see how that goes on. I'm gonna put the camera down because I'm going to use my FPV goggles. I'm gonna connect the battery here, also start the camera, and camera is now recording. Takes is okay. I'm gonna power on the FPV screen and power on the transmitter here, and we have clear image. It further. And let's see how this goes.